think about going to a doctor. You want your doctor to have multiple tools to diagnose whatever might be wrong with you. So if you break your ankle or you sprain your ankle, you might get an X-ray or you might get an ultrasound measurement. Same thing in industry. X-rays are fantastic at seeing things that are embedded, that are dense, embedded in product. We are a surface-only technique, but we see things that X-rays will never see. So things that float in water, so low density, like cardboard, wood, many plastics, many rubbers, that would be very difficult to see with X-rays or impossible to see with X-rays. So we see a lot of customers using multiple modalities, including human inspectors, to really make their food production safer and better understood.